Good morning, bonjour from wherever you are. This is Asad. Welcome to Asad Experience YouTube channel. First of all, you may be asking yourself where I am. There's a lot of things which shows type of touring. This is a place called Ganzi. Ganzi. Ghanze. This is one of the province of Botswana. Botswana, yeah. This is like the north of Botswana, if I'm not wrong. We just passed the Kalahari Desert, the famous Kalahari Desert in Africa, and I'm heading to Namibia. So I had to leave Gaborone at this point. As a backpacker, it was the most expensive city I've ever been to. Second thing, accessing money is very tricky. In which way? Like, let me give you a scenario, a short scenario of what happened to me back into Gaborone Gates. I sent money from my bank in Kenya and to someone in Kenya, in the Airtel money in Kenya. Tell them to send it to Namibia. I'm very sorry. Send it to Zambia so that someone in Zambia can send it using what they call Mukuru. It's a famous application which helps people to send money around. As you can see, that's the bus I came with. So after sending the money, they sent with the Mukuru, and there was a system error which double typed my name. And they couldn't give me my money. The reason behind it, the names are double typed, and it's not my mistake. So I had to find a police station because I had not even a single puller or a single shilling with me. So I had to go to the police station, explain the situation, and told them, you know what, I don't have anywhere to go, so just gonna have to give me where to sleep. And they showed me the place. But later on, one of my friends showed up late in the night, almost one that there, and he took me to his place, like an Airbnb. So that was happened. It was really ridiculous until the next morning at 1 p.m. That's where I came to get my money. Not even 1 p.m., 2 p.m. That's where I received the money. And I said, you know what, I have to leave this city. And another thing that I didn't like about Gaborone, if you're like someone who is trying to a traveler, you need a lot of money to stay in that city because, first of all, no organic foods are just few. Another thing, apart from that, is that the rooms range from $60 and above, like $60 to 100 to 200 to $300. So someone like me, I really can't afford such kind of things. So we just have to move. So I came straight to Ganzi because I'm heading to Namibia. Ganzi, from the bus station of Gaborone, when you ask, from Gaborone to here, it's 235 puller from Gibbs to here, which I really don't know how much is that. It's like $23, $23.5 because a dollar in puller is almost like exactly. So my next destination from here, I'm gonna be at Charles Hill. So once I reach at Charles Hill, I'm gonna let you know. So guys, that's what's really happened, and you should know about that whenever you travel to these African countries. We have a lot of problems which people meet and they don't talk about it. So bear with me, and then master your English, man. Not everyone speaks English like in these countries. You can meet someone who is a graduate in university, but talking English is where they draw the line. So you may gonna feel like people are ignoring you. English is the problem. I talked to one of them and he explained everything. English is where they draw the line, and that's it. So, see you. If you're watching this without subscribing, you're risking to be licked by the devil while sleeping. So guys, I have just arrived at the border of Namibia, and something really unusual is I found a lot of people, almost 4 buses that you can see behind me, like 4 buses. A lot of people are going to Namibia for their vacations and everything, People are just gonna have to, maybe tourism is really picking up in Namibia. So it's from from Ranzi to Chazil really cost me around 100 pula, which is like $10, And then we just another, like, it was just a small distance which I had to use to walk. I was with some few friends. So as you can see, there is a lot of people. So to get a passport stamped here is really tricky. And another thing, while filling the form of entering Namibia, like entry, you're supposed to know that there is a column which is new to me, which I just saw. Like, you're supposed to write how much are you gonna spend in that country, excluding transport fee and I don't know, and foods, something like that. So whenever you arrive at this side, this is how the border looks like. So welcome to Namibia. Let's see if, of course, they're gonna let us in, but the queue is too long. So I hope you understood that. I already told you the cost from Gaborone to up to here. So keep learning. This is Asad Experience. See you in the next. Hey, you are going, my people. It's your boy Asad again. Welcome to Asad Experience YouTube channel. So coming to Namibia has never been easy. We've been using trucks everywhere we travel. No buses, actually. That's the thing I've been questioning myself. Even if this country has been marketed to have a lot of tourists, but it comes to my attention, there is no seriousness maybe of vehicles traveling from other countries coming to this country. So you have to use the heavy vehicles to travel, which is really, really hectic. Today I just got a chance to travel with my nigga here. He's giving me a lift, My guy, you have anything to tell my people from Kenya?
Yeah, we are aware this side, yeah.
Okay, so
we are about to reach.
So
We are about to reach, yeah.
yeah, we almost window week. My friend here is from Botswana. Oh, these countries really confuse me. She's sleeping, having some small nap. It's really tiresome. And one thing that I have noticed, before I forget it, let me tell you guys, I being in Kenya, horses are one of the most expensive thing. But my first impression entering Namibia, horses are everywhere, like just normal goats. Damn, I'm gonna have to buy one and go with it, so I guess you should know about that. Another thing I should tell you about, when you come to Namibia, actually their currency is right now it's almost equal with the Botswana pula money. So it's 1-on-1 and runs, right? Yeah, so I guess Botswana was the most powerful currency in Africa right now, but at least you can see there are some competition between Namibia, Botswana and South Africa. Man, in 1979, something that you don't know, Kenyan shillings was bigger than US dollars. So I'm gonna have to question my presidents and the people in the government what really happened, Yeah, until we became we only lead East Africa. So I'm gonna explore the city for you, teach you about Namibia. This is the country with the population of 2.5 million, if I'm not wrong. One thing that I'm gonna show you the impression about Namibia. Wherever you find a flag of Namibia, you're gonna find the AU, African Union's flag. The reason they started this, they said it's because they wanna embrace the love they have for Africa. That's why it's very easy to enter in Namibia with as a visitor and stay for 90 days without paying for a visa for free. Wherever you are coming from, it's like Rwanda, yeah. Even Paul Kagame, His Excellency Paul Kagame did something like that. So it's a peaceful country, which they say they have a lot of crimes. Those pickpocketing, you just need to be. I'm gonna have to experience and tell you guys, you know. Another thing, what do people don't know about Namibia, bro?
Yeah.
What do people don't know about Namibia? They don't know that you are a peaceful country.
Yeah, this one is a peaceful country.
Yeah.
But crime is too low, not so much.
Okay.
Only this guy of pocketing money, something like that. But you
Oh.
can walk free most.
For real?
Yeah, you can go with your money, you can do whatever.
Yeah.
Just like in
That's the one
Botswana.
which I like.
Oh,
But
And
yeah,
they,
but yeah.
they use a lot of currencies, you know, Poland, euros, you know.
Oh, okay.
A lot, yes.
Oh.
You can change any currency, you can change it in Namibia.
Oh, wow, that's wow, that's really amazing, man. So gonna have to explore the city. You know, as a backpacker, the only hashtag is suffering. You know, right now I don't know really how I'm gonna access my money in this country of Namibia, but I'm gonna have to manage. You know, even if it's going to a club and spend the whole night is fine. You know, until we get a solution and we get to know really our countries. You know, we just need one Africa. See you guys in Windui.
Tutti.
Say tutti again.
Go. It's Tutti.
Tutti.
It's
Tutti from where?
a German name.
German name. I said it. Anyway,
Start by saying that Namibia is not really what I thought. Well, you can see by yourself. Entering here, really, like, I just feeling goosebumps, feeling like, damn, am I in the Europe, US or something? I guess Namibia has been underrated or underestimated because, geez, do you see what I'm seeing? Because this country is something else. Look, for example, I'm gonna give you an example of what I'm saying here. Like in Africa, to seeing supercars running around like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and everything, you know, it's not usual like this in these African countries, but here in Namibia you can see by yourself. Man, it's very different. I'm really glad to be here. Look at myself, I'm even shriving. Come on. So guys, see you in the next episode. I guess we're gonna have to explore Namibia and talk because it's in the evening. I don't really have my light on me. So let's see what Namibia got for us, man, and then we're gonna have to explore, even travel to in the coastal region of Namibia. Is it called? I think you guessed right, that name. See you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit that button of comment, man. Leave your thoughts. Let me know what you think or what you can upgrade and add in my videos. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy Asad. Welcome again to Asad Experience YouTube channel.
like in the US.
Why outside
It's
camera
1841.
like dark?
No, because I'm facing light.
Oh.
Unfortunately, we have arrived late. Please explore during the